A country where togetherness is scarce, South Korea, with only 48 minutes of parental time per day. The more furniture parents buy from Ikea, the less time they spend with their children. Parents choose furniture and arrange home with their children, but during assembly, children often become a distraction. How can families spend quality time, even while assembling furniture? Introducing Ikea Craft. Ikea packaging now turns into paper furniture that children can build too. The packaging mirrors the real product's parts so children can make the replicas of parents or create their own unique pieces. Now, assembly time is not just about building furniture, it's about building memories. Once the paper furniture is complete, scan it and upload it to Ikea through a QR code. Ikea will gather these joyful creations and put the child's name on the furniture. On Korean Children's Day, Ikea will showcase these creations in a special showroom, reminding kids of the time spent building and playing with family. Parents can build a bond with their children while furnishing homes. Kids no longer feel left out. But the most valuable outcome? Capturing precious parental time. Ikea has always been committed to providing home furnishings for the whole family. Because time isn't found, it's made. So, want to bond? Build it together. Parents plus children equals Ikea Craft.